Good day, this is the tutorial of installing operating system using VMWARE. By downloading VMWARE, you should go to the link provided below. After the VMWARE download and installation, you can now start the operating system installation. Open the Oracle VM VirtualBox. Select Add and customize your virtual machine. Type your desired name. Select the type and the version of your operating system. Then click the Next button. Allocate your desired hard disk space for your VirtualBox. Select Create a virtual hard disk now. Select BDI, then click Next. Select Dynamically Allocated, then click Next. Select the size of the virtual hard disk in MB. The size is the limit on the amount of file data of the VMware. Then click Create. Create a virtual disk now, then click the Continue. Click your VM, then Run. A new window will appear. Press Start to proceed in installation, then click Browse to locate your operating system. Select your operating system ISO file. Press Start to run. When the Windows setup appears, click Select Next and Install Now. Click Next. Check the I accept in terms of agreement. Select Custom Windows Only Advanced. Select your desired drive, then click Next. And start installing the Windows. Ano na yan? Pause mo na. Configure the settings. Select United States. Rename the PC. Create your own password. Once the desktop view appeared, go to your network settings and connect to internet connection. Next, go to Windows icon and select Settings. Go to Update and Security. Last step, look for the Windows update and install. Wait for installation until it's finished. Now the operating system is installed.